Hi, welcome to another video. So Ingrid, my girlfriend, she came home from work bringing me this thing. A friend there, or colleague at work, says that it doesn't take a charge and it doesn't work. So it's a light of some sort of a torch or flame light. So it has like animation, and this stand thing can come off. And when I googled this thing, I saw that it can come with a long spear that you can put into the ground. Anyway, so the charging plug is in there, and when I look carefully, I can see that it's very, very broke. Anyway, now I can't plug it in because I've taken out the screws for it. So it's just one screw there, and you twist it like this, and then it comes apart. And it has a really large battery, actually. Two 1850 batteries, and some electronics behind there, and then there's an impulse switch here. So let's get out that charging board. Just comes sliding out there. Okay, so here's the charging port. Looks like a normal charging port. It has, see, like one hole there, I think two holes there, maybe two at the back. Other than that, it seems pretty normal, and maybe you can see what's wrong with it. Let's see if we can put on lights. Yeah, you can see the one on the left there. Wow. Okay, so I was looking at several boards I have, and I might actually have one of these that are broken if I haven't thrown it away, and usually they have the shitty ones, and by that I mean these connectors are not having any true holes. It's just held down by SMD soldering, but this one seems to have true hole because you can see it on the back bottom side. This one does not, as you can see. Maybe two at the back. So this one seems to be the closest one. So if I can hold it next to this one. Actually, I feel bad for ruining one of these boards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the connector with a hot air, and then I'll put in a new one later. Okay, so I found these LEDs, so I'm just gonna try, see what happens. So it's green. And if I flip it the other way, it's red. So I'm guessing that the charging will be red, and then when it's done it will switch to green. So just stick it in like that. Then bend it. Okay, so I've soldered in this now. I have to bend it a bit back because, as you can see, because it's a bit far, because if this one goes further than the plug, it will hit the end wall in there. Don't even know if you can see it. Yeah, there you can see it. Nå skal jeg fortelle. Now I'm gonna tell you. Nå skal jeg fortelle dem, Ingrid.
Nå skal jeg faen meg vise dem og fortelle dem.
Må ikke patten det da.
Nei, ikke bare.
Nå skal jeg vise deg, Ingrid.
Jeg skal vise hvordan du gjør det.
Ja.
Kanskje jeg skal holde den under kamera da?
Det er lurt.
Fordi jeg mister... Sorry, I'm dropping the screw all the time. So now I'm gonna show you what I do when the screw drops out like that. It's quite annoying actually. You tape the freaking screw to the freaking screwdriver. That's what you do. Lol. Yeah. Then we lull at it.
Det er den viktigste.
Yeah, it's the most important. Okay, let's see. Oh, ser bedre i kamera enn på bildet her. Nei, eller hva faen. Men du må jo treffe hølet da.
Ja, det kan du ikke finne å si.
I can't find the hole. I can't say I can't find the hole. Ingrid, I found the hole.
You found the hole.
Yes. And now the question is, can I get this tape out? I can leave it be also. Oh, that was a fail. No, it wasn't. Anyway, now it is working. So I will have to just put it together. There's the holes meet each other. That. The last screw is very easy to take apart actually. One screw here and two screws for the charging port. Okay, let's see if you can see some light here in the charging port. There you can see the light hole. I have my doubts, but we can see. Oh yeah, haha. Ingrid lyser rødt. That's good. That was all that I need. I don't need much light, I just need an indication. So this should turn green. So I will just film when it's green. It will probably take an hour or so, I don't know.